Ho ho, you gorgeous people of the interwebs. It is Saturday the 9th of December. It is day 5 of my 12 days of Vlogmas, and I am up against it today because we've already been out, we've already done a food shop. We've, what else have we done? We've been to the tile place to get a quote for some tiles for the kitchen. Been home a little while, had a shower, washed my hair. A couple of things have arrived that I want to put together. What I wanted to do today is to show you all of the things we bought when we had our little run around after going to that not so great Christmas market, and we ended up going to Home Bargains and finding lots of Christmassy stuff there, and then M&S. So got some clothes to try on. I had ordered some stuff from M&S current collection because the outlet is the place that we go to, so that's last year's collection. But I want to do a little party outfit try on for you. One of the things that arrived today is something that I wasn't expecting for a couple of weeks because it was coming from overseas, but it is like a little freestanding wardrobe hanger thing that I can keep in my room. So when I do try-ons and stuff like that, I don't have to use my little ironing thing, which is great, but it's not very pretty to look at. So yeah, so I decided that I was going to get something a little bit nicer that I can keep here or by the mirror. So that's what's arrived, and I want to get into that first before we do any try-on stuff. I've done it. That took like less than 10 minutes to put together. So let's have a look at it. This is just a unit I got off Amazon. We have got this one top piece here. It's just like tubing, like almost like copper piping or something. This is one unit, so you've got a little hangy thing here and a little hangy thing here, hangy thing there, and then the rail to put your stuff on. And then you just screw it into this one, this pole. You screw it into this pole. You screw it into this pole, and once they're all screwed in together, you put it on the base. Now this is meant to look like marble. It's not marble, but it is heavy, so it is some sort of, I wonder if it's like leftover bits of Korean worktop or something like that, because it is pretty hefty. It did come with these feet to put on the bottom, but it's going to live on my carpet here, so I don't think I'm going to put those on yet. I can't tell you how happy I am. It arrived for today. Amazing. They tried to deliver it yesterday, but we were out all day, so I was like, no! It would have been perfect for today's video. I tried putting it over there. I moved all of this out and put it there, and it was too big. It blocked the mirror. So for the time being, oh look, and it's got some stuff on it. It's going to live there for the time being, and this can go back in the room of requirements with the laundry on it as it was intended. Two curious kittens over there. I wonder if they'll want their advent calendar soon. Did you see in the shopping vlog when I said, oh, this is the nighty version of the PJs I bought last year? These are the PJs I bought last year. And this indeed is the nighty version of. I've got this top from M&S. Not entirely sure about the colour. It's a bit tomatoey red for me. But we're going to try it on. And then we've got this green shirt, again from the M&S outlet. Now this is current season, and this is very similar to something that you may have seen Fendi catwalk recently. This is also current season, M&S. Both of these dresses are M&S. This is current from Tesco, Florence and Fred. And then this is last year's sequins, where I got the champagne ones last year, and I really regretted not getting the black ones. Found them in the outlet. I have deliberately gone for very affordable party wear options because frankly I don't go to that many parties, so there's no point in me spending big bucks on, you know, these kind of things. So we'll try these on and see how they look. And I'm not entirely sure if I ever told you, but what's in here is the Lion's gifts, and we added some more stuff to that. Hello Daisy. Hello. Okie dokie. So yeah, I'm going to probably shift those out of the way because they're a little bit in the way of the mirror. What do you think, Daisy? Yes, Daisy agrees. Before we get stuck into trying things on, let's show you the other stuff we got. I've got this wrapping paper from M&S. Just nice sort of candy cane styly wrapping paper. Fully recyclable, thank you very much. The Lion picked out these baubles, luxury hand-painted baubles. They've got this lovely sort of pinky, purpley shades on them. Golden balls. Oh, I picked out this candle. This is frankincense and myrrh. It's a 3-wick candle. Oh, what do you think, Daisy? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Oh. It smells really, really nice, and I like the sort of crackled glass, so that's going to go on the dining table. The Lion picked out a couple of candles as well. This is upside down. We've got this espresso martini candle, passion star martini candle, so I think that's the porn star martini, where you get the little passion fruit floating in there. You will have seen it in the vlog. Of course I had to get this little lion Christmas decoration. He's going to go on the tree when we decorate the tree. I got some stickers to go on the prezzies because I do love a sticker. So that's the stuff that we got at Marks and Sparks. We also picked up a couple of things from Home Bargains, and we got these 2 jute sacks, these large sacks, because as the Lion pointed out, we usually can't fit our stocking fillers in our Christmas stockings. The Lion spotted this, which is a G with a little hook on it, and it was the only alphabet stocking holder we could find. But he really, really liked it, so we bought it. It's going to go downstairs by the fire. And the last thing we bought is, he doesn't like nutcrackers. He thinks they're really, really creepy. But this guy, oh, isn't he cute? He's going to go and stand by my mirror. So this is what last year's PJs looked like. This is the shape of them. They've got like this kind of slightly cropped top and cuffed PJ bottoms, cuffed ankles. And this is what the nightie looks like with the bottoms. The nightie's a little bit snug for an XL. And how it looks without the PJ bottoms. So that's the length of it. You can see it's got a little bit of a cut in up here. And if I was going to wear this on its own, I'd probably wear some knee-high, big, thick, woolly socks or something. Okay, well, the sequin trousers, absolute no-brainer. Love, 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 love my champagne ones. Was gutted that I didn't get the black ones at the same time. Size 18, these are the shorts. You can see they're still a little bit long on my stumpy little legs. The top, yeah, it's a little bit tomato-y for my liking. Don't like the fact that these cuffs are really loose. I'm just going to lose my hands in them. Sequin trousers are an absolute no-brainer. I'm already planning on wearing these with maybe my gold top, my my asymmetrical tuxedo jackets, and go for that sort of black and gold look. Yes, and they've got pockets, obviously. They've got pockets. They're great. I think I like this green shirt though, this green sort of satin effect shirt, especially with these trousers. I think the combination looks quite chic. Again, similar issue with the sleeves being, the cuffs being really large. But overall, I think I like the colour on it. I think I like the colour on me. I don't know what bag I'd use with this one. What about my gold Aspinall of London? Gold and green, very Christmassy. Maybe a bit too cheesy Christmassy. More sequins, but I'm disappointed in this one. And I'll tell you why I'm disappointed in this one. This came from Tesco, it's Florence and Fred. And my favourite sequin mini dress that I've ever had came from Florence and Fred at Tesco. I've worn that thing year in, year out. 4 years, and it was about £25 or something like that. It's absolutely fantastic. Things I do like about this frock: love the sleeves, love the fact that there's a little bit of room in the sleeves. The shoulders fit quite nicely, but apart from that, the rest of the cut is kind of horrible. It feels like there's a little bit of elastic under here, which doesn't work for me being an apple shape, so I feel a little bit sausagey stuffed. There is this ribbon on the back, which I have tried to tying a little bit of a bow by myself. I love the sequins, I love the sleeves, I love the colour, but I hate the rest of it, and I don't like the length of it either. Yeah, I'm very, very disappointed in this one. This is the black M&S dress. It's got a sort of shimmery leopard print to it. It's got these big blouson sleeves, and the fabric is quite stiff, so it kind of stands out, stands up on its own. Looks like it's got caught a little bit on the hanger there, and because these bits are quite kind of, I don't know, ridgy, sticking out there. I don't know if I'd be able to do something about that. No pockets, which is a bit annoying, but I like it because it's a simple plain frock with a little bit of interest, a little bit of texture to it. In my head, I was going to be wearing this on Christmas Day, walking to the pub. Hopefully it's not going to be raining and we can just walk to the pub on Christmas Day for our Christmas dinner. Maybe with something like my little Fendi Nano baguette, just to carry a couple of things in, and my knee-high Somerset by Alice Temperley boots, which I can't find at the moment, otherwise I would try them on with this. Or if I can't find those black suede knee-high boots, I could always add a little bit of sparkle with Miss Prada and my sparkly crystal booties. More is more, right? You certainly wouldn't lose me on the street, would you? This could be a lot of fun because I'm going to have to wear my big duvet coat over the top of this, so you would have no idea that I'm wearing a nice frock underneath. Okay, this is the one that I would be most excited to try. I don't think it's meant to be pleated. I think it could just do with a bit of an iron. It is a similar shape to the black one, just a thinner fabric. It's doing the little shoulder thing a little bit there, but it's got the same blouson kind of sleeves, which I really, really, really like. But the big thing about this one is it's giving me real Fendi vibes, because they've got this gorgeous burgundy colour out at the moment in their more recent collection. And yes, it looks very plain at the moment, but give me a moment to zhuzh it up and I'll show you what I've got in mind. So this is what I had in mind. My pink Fendi collar breeze, my pink Louis Vuitton papillon trunk. Love the pink against the burgundy, and then a nice big chunky necklace that I haven't shown you yet, and I shouldn't be opening because it's a gift to myself for my birthday. So here's your little sneak peek. So yeah, that's how I see this going, and I kind of earmarked this for Christmas Eve, going for a posh lunch with our besties. Let me know what you think. It really does give me the Fendi vibes. I will insert a picture of the Fendi frock. Yes, I do love these colours together. So that's my affordable party outfit try-on. Few hits, I think, there, and some definite misses as well. Love the two M&S frocks, the sequin trousers, no-brainer. Quite like the green shirt, the tomato top I'm not that much of a fan of, and that Tesco sequin dress is a massive disappointment. Let me know what you think of all of those. Let me know what you think of my new hanging arrangement. I am so chuffed it arrived today in time, and it's going to make my try-ons in the future when I do a little bit of maybe sale shopping, who knows. It'll help out with those and putting together outfits. I can hang bags from the little hooky bobbly bits sticking out and really decide how things are going to go together, so I'm really, really excited about that. Right, I need to edit this video, so I am going to pick a tactical advent calendar. Let's go and get it. Tactical advent calendar is going to be this one. That's because in this one we've got a shed load of candy kittens. You know I love my candy kittens. So we have got a packet of wild strawberry, yum, 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 yum. Sour watermelon, these are the OG as far as I'm concerned. They're the ones that really turned me on to candy kittens. And then these are the sort of gummy bears. These are the raspberry and guava. But they will give me that little energy burst. That little energy burst to get this video edited for you. And I've got to do the cats. Where are the cats? I need to get the cats for their advent calendar. Daisy, Lily. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello, are you excited? We've got 9 and 10 to open today. Yes, we do. So there's 10. Where's your sister? There's 10. Oops, 9 came off completely. Oh no, that's not a treat. That's not what you want. Oh. Hi, Daisy. Who's ready for some pre-dinner treats? Lily was here first, so Lily gets to go first. Good girl. Daisy. Oh, you're not really very visible. Let's move this. It's more about you pussins, isn't it? Yes. I'm sorry. Where did I go? Lily. Oh, dropped it. Hey, Daisy. Wait, Daisy. Come here. Who's a clever baby? That's the wrong one. Okay, Lily. Lily. Good girl. Right, that's window number 9 done. Window number 10 was here. And it's your turn, Daisy. Yeah, you're so soft, aren't you? Oh, these are hard to break into. I know, Lily. You're not sure about the Dingy Boppers, are you? No. I've watched you watching them. Daisy, Daisy. Come on, you know you want to. There she goes. Lily B. Lily. It's your last one, baby. And Daisy, baby, it's your last one. Oh, am I coming to you? Okay. Thank you, babies. Oh, Daisy, are you finishing that for Lily? Okay. Okay. Bye.